powerful too in the water.
Yeah. Hi. How old is she?
She'll be 3 next month. Oh, sorry, 4 next month.
4.
Yeah, she's 3 at the moment.